Did you know that in 2023, there were an estimated 653,000 people experiencing homelessness in the United States, which is the highest number on record? Hey Bestie, this is Lisa. Welcome or welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's been said that a lot of people are just one paycheck away from being homeless. I thought with our DIY crafting skills and our ability to do things on a budget, for example, using Dollar Tree, we could make some beautiful blessing bags to share with those who aren't as fortunate as we are. We see them at the freeway entrances and exits. We see them in parking lots. We see them all over the place. People, for various reasons, who find themselves in a situation that is less than desirable. They don't have a home. And it's scary. I can't imagine what that would be like. If there was something I could do to help, I would love to. I often feel funny handing cash because I just don't want to contribute possibly to a drug habit, but I do want to help somebody. So I thought maybe together we could create blessing bags to keep in our car that we could share with those that we run into who are in this situation. We can't fix the situation necessarily, but we can do something to help. All of the items except this one that I got were from Dollar Tree. This I found at Costco and I couldn't pass it up because it was this huge box of hand warmers that you could use for your hands or your feet. And I thought, my gosh, this would be such a nice thing to throw in a blessing bag, especially for those of us who live in climates that get colder in the fall and winter and people are really cold outside. I found these 2 blankets from the Dollar Tree, a bunch of food, nuts, protein, cheese, you name it. Umbrellas, very thick, nice socks, hairbrushes, deodorant, flossers for their teeth, some dry shampoo and hand sanitizer. I also got feminine hygiene products for females and some nice winter hats. Also some gloves, and then a few scarves as well. And I always got one thing for male and female, some bottled water, some carabiners so they can hang things, and then a nice big plastic storage bag to use. This would be if you want to do a really, really nice blessing bag filled with all of those items that I just showed you. I'll also show you some alternative ways to do this. So we're just going to take all of those items. This is a nice Ziploc bag with handles at the top. They can use the carabiners to attach it to whatever they need to so it's easier to carry around. And so we're just going to go ahead and put in all of those items. And I had reasons for all of them. I thought we've got a lot of rain where I live, so an umbrella would be good. Deodorant would just make a person, I think, feel better if you can't get to a shower or bath. And then flossers, because it's not always easy to brush your teeth when you're out and about. Hand sanitizer, just to make sure that you can keep your hands clean so you don't get sick. And then dry shampoo, because you don't always have water available to wash your hair and carrying around all that. A couple of water bottles, they could always be refilled as needed. Then I've got a nice plush blanket that I think would be great. It's not too big, it's like a throw size. And then I took these socks, and I know they're men's, but you know what? They didn't have any nice socks for women. So I thought if I was in that situation, I'd be happy to have those. And then the cheese dippers again, just something quick that just better than nothing. I can't provide meals easily like this. Some beef jerky, which you know, there's some protein right there. And the cashew and almonds, and then also a treat, peanut butter cups, because you know, who doesn't want a treat once in a while? And then, of course, I mentioned the gloves. This particular bag is a male bag, and then I would do the female bag using all these same supplies, but the ones that I got that were a little bit more for females. And then I put quite a few hand warmers in there. I thought that was something that would really come in handy. The nice thing is the bag just zips right up, so it'll be sealed and it'll be kept waterproof. And also it could be reused again because it's very thick. It's not like a regular plastic bag. It's definitely a pretty sturdy bag, and I thought that could really come in handy for someone in that situation. You could add whatever you want. These are just the items that I thought could be helpful and not too much to carry around. And then there's the female bag that I put together. Same things, just the items that were more for a woman, like the feminine hygiene products and maybe some color changes and the deodorant, things like that. Now, an alternative, if you don't want to do quite a hefty bag, you could just take a regular Dollar Tree shopping bag, take a couple of the hand warmers and put those in there. You could put the floss sticks, the hand sanitizer, a bottle of water, and the carabiners again, and then the cashews and almonds, and the beef jerky, and the dippers. Just put those in the bag, and now you've got a really nice bag that you can hand out. You could make more of them because it wouldn't cost as much. You could keep more of them in your car and be ready to go when you see somebody, when you're getting off the freeway or wherever you might be, when you run into somebody who's looking for a little bit of assistance and a hand up. And I just thought this would be a nice way to use your bags again and then put a few items in there, and it really, really would help someone even in that moment and make their day, that you did something to help them, to reach out, that you acknowledge that they're also a human being. I also thought if you want to even go smaller, you could just do a water bottle, the beef jerky stick, one dipper, one bag of the cashew and almonds, and one bag of the hand warmers. And then you could make even more blessing bags to have in your car. So it just comes down to, do you want to just go bless somebody in a big way? You want to bless people, in a medium way? Or do you want to just be able to bless even more people in a smaller way? It'd be so nice to carry these around in your car and hand them out. Imagine such a small act could bring such hope to someone who's feeling incredibly hopeless. Can you help? I know I'm going to do it. Ready for more inspiration? Here's another video I think you'll really like. If you click on it, I will see you there. You are truly a blessing to me. Bye.